Hey everyone, welcome back. Have you ever been blocked on Snapchat and wondered if that person has finally unblocked you? It's a common situation, especially in 2025 with all the app's updates making things more privacy-focused. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps to check if someone has unblocked you on Snapchat. Don't worry, it's straightforward and won't take much time at all. Let's dive right in. First things first. Open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't updated the app lately, do that now because Snapchat rolls out features regularly. Once you're in, head to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the username of the person you're curious about. If their profile pops up in the results, that's a good sign. They might have unblocked you. Next, tap on their profile to see if it loads fully. If you can view their snapcode, stories or bio without any issues, congratulations, it looks like you're no longer blocked. But let's not stop there, try interacting with them. Go ahead and attempt to send a message or view their latest stories. If the message sends successfully or you can see their content, you're definitely unblocked. On the flip side, if you get an error message or their profile doesn't load, they might still have you blocked. One important tip. Remember, Snapchat doesn't send notifications for unblocks, so you'll have to check manually. Also, be respectful of others' privacy, don't spam them just because you can now reach out. If you're still unsure, wait a bit and try again later, as things can change. There you have it, folks. By following these simple steps, you'll know for sure if someone has unblocked you on Snapchat in 2025. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.